Good morning, student. How are you? Fine. Today I will start once again chemical equilibria, and whatever we have learned, first we will revise here. We have learned about the type of reaction, reversible, irreversible with example, and equilibrium state, factor affecting chemical equilibria or equilibrium constant, relation of equilibrium constant with the concentration, and we will study about the relationship between Kp and Kc, and Le Chatelier's principles for the preparation of compound, effect of change in temperature, concentration, volume on the equilibrium state. And now we will start, and in earlier video I told you about the homogeneous equilibria. Okay, homogeneous equilibria. Now today I will tell you about the heterogeneous equilibria. Okay, equilibrium constant for equilibrium constant for heterogeneous reaction. Okay, heterogeneous reaction or heterogeneous system. Okay, first of all I will tell you about the heterogeneous reaction. What is heterogeneous reaction and what is homogeneous reaction? In homo means same. In homogeneous reaction, reactant and product both are in same state. Both are in same state. For example, we will see here homogeneous reaction. N2 gas, okay, 3H2 gas gives 2NH3. This is also gas. Okay, this is homogeneous. This is the homogeneous reaction. Okay, and equilibrium for constant for such reaction is what? Homogeneous. That is also homogeneous. We will take whole concentration, reactant concentration and product concentration. बच्चों, हम लोग ने अभी तक जो भी पढ़ा वो होमोजेनियस रिएक्शन के लिए पढ़ा, चाहे केपी पढ़ा चाहे केसी पढ़ा, सब क्या था? गुड, वो सब गैसियस फेज के लिए था. लेकिन अब जो हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं वो क्या है? वो हमारा है हेट्रो. हेट्रो मीन्स डिफरेंट, यानी यहाँ पे फेज डिफरेंट है, चाहे वो रिएक्टेंट हो चाहे प्रोडक्ट हो, दोनों के फेज क्या है? डिफरेंट है. तो डिफरेंट फेज के लिए जो इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट होता है वो डिफरेंट होता है. ठीक है, अब पहले हम देखते हैं एग्जांपल हेट्रोजीनियस रिएक्शन का. क्या देखेंगे? हेट्रोजीनियस रिएक्शन का, और फिर उसके बाद हम इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट को देखेंगे. ओके, देन व्हाट इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ सच रिएक्शन? ओके, सी हियर, दिस इज द कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट CaCO3 सब जानते हैं, चूना है, चूना and CaO. This is solid, this is solid, and here is carbon dioxide. Okay, this one is the gas, this one is the gas. ठीक है, ये गैस तो बहुत जगह से आती है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस। ओके, तो अब हम यहाँ पे इसके लिए अगर इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट लिखेंगे तो ये हमारा क्या है, सॉलिड है, ये सॉलिड है, तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा Kc इक्वल टू कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ CO2, दिस इज द, एंड Kp is the PCO2. Okay, clear? Question: why we don't take solid or liquid in such case? Why? This is the question, कि why we don't take concentration of solid in such case. As you know that we are studying chemical equilibrium, when rate of forward reaction become equal to backward reaction. Rate, what is rate? Change of concentration per unit time. Okay, therefore if we take solid, its motion in comparison to gas is very less, and liquid is also less than gas but more than solid. Due to this, there is very less effect on the rate. Okay, therefore concentration of solid or liquid reactant or product in such case is less significant. We always take unity, so therefore we leave this solid reactant and product. Okay, तो बच्चों हम यहाँ पे सॉलिड क्या मोशन उसमें जो होता है गैस के कंपैरिजन में क्या होता है, कम होता है। हम लोग रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन पढ़ रहे हैं, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन क्या है, रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन जो है वो हम पढ़ते हैं कि जो मोशन हो रहा है फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन में और बैकवर्ड डायरेक्शन में। अब क्वेश्चन ये है कि गैस और सॉलिड में कौन ज़्यादा मोशन करेगा, कौन मोशन करेगा? सिंपल सी बात है, गैस। सॉलिड के पार्टिकल तो अपनी जगह पे वाइब्रेट करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, वाइब्रेट करेंगे, लेकिन गैस के पार्टिकल मूव करेंगे बहुत तेजी से। ओके, अब लिक्विड और गैस का कंपैरिजन करेंगे तो थोड़ा लेस मोशन होगा इन कंपैरिजन टू सॉलिड, मोर देन सॉलिड बट लेस देन गैस। तो हमारा सब कुछ डिपेंड कर रहा है रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन पे, तो इसलिए जो सॉलिड और लिक्विड के कंसंट्रेशन है वो इनसिग्निफिकेंट होते हैं। वो क्या होते हैं, इनसिग्निफिकेंट होते हैं। अब अगर वो इनसिग्निफिकेंट हैं तो हम जो है उन्हें नहीं लेंगे, हम किसको लेंगे, सॉलिड को, सॉरी गैस को लेंगे हम लोग। सॉलिड को क्या करेंगे, लीव कर देंगे, छोड़ देंगे। तो ऐसे केस में जब हम Kc और Kp लिखेंगे तो Kc और Kp क्या होगा, केवल गैस के लिए होगा। किसके लिए होगा, केवल गैस के लिए। यू कैन नोट डाउन, वी विल टेक सम मोर एग्जाम्पल्स एंड राइट इक्वेशन फॉर द रिएक्शन। हम कुछ और एग्जाम्पल्स लेंगे और उस एग्जाम्पल का जो है कि इक्वेशन लिखेंगे। ओके, हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इक्वेशन लिखेंगे। I hope all of you noted this. Okay. Here is some questions which you have to do. This is the write the expression for the equilibrium constant Kc for the following reaction Okay, I will take 2 examples and 2 examples you will do. Okay, two NOCl gas gives 2NO gas plus Cl2 gas. Okay, now Cu NO3 whole twice. Okay, this one is solid and give CuO, and this one is also solid and O2, 2NO2, this is the gas. Okay, if you have to reaction balance, here is 2 and here is will be 2, 4 and O2. Okay, number of oxygen is 3 2 is 6 and 12, 4 2 is 8 and 2 10 and 2 12. Okay, now see one by one. For this reaction, Kc equal to concentration of NO square Cl2 upon NOCl square. Okay, we have taken whole concentration of the reactant and product because this one is gas, this one is gas, this one is gas. Okay, all are in gas phase, all are in gas phase. Okay, now in second case you will see that here only 2 things are gas. Okay, only 2 things are gas. This copper nitrate is solid and cupric oxide is what? Solid also. Here NO2 is gas and O2 is gas. Then in case of this, for this one is for first and this one for the second, Kc is equal to NO2 power 4 O2. Okay, this is the equation for this one. and this is equation for homogeneous, and this one is for heterogeneous. Okay, I hope once again you will see here there are two reactions, one is homogeneous case and other is heterogeneous case, and we are seeing that in homogeneous case reactant and product both are in gaseous state. So during making formula of Kc, we will take the concentration of both product and reactant. Okay, why both are in gaseous phase? And for this one we will see here, in this reaction reactant is in solid state, one product cupric oxide is also in solid state, so their concentration will be 1 unity, and then we will take the concentration of NO2 because it is in gas, and in this case we will take also it is also in the gas phase. तो कहने का मतलब है कि जब हेट्रोजीनियस रिएक्शन रहेगा तो सिंपल सी बात है कि हम लोग केवल गैसियस फेज को लेंगे, उसको लिखेंगे, और जो सॉलिड स्टेट रहेगा, लिक्विड स्टेट रहेगा, उसे छोड़ देंगे। ठीक है, अब मैं 2 क्वेश्चन दे देता हूं, आप लोग कंप्लीट करेंगे इसको। ओके, नोट डाउन दिस। Now next you can write the question answer by pausing the video, and now we will give some questions to solve you for homework. Okay, now next is hydrolysis of ester. Question 1 is CH3 COO C2H5. This one is ethyl acetate. Okay, this one is aqueous. Aqueous means liquid, and this is the water. Water is aqueous. As you know, you can write here for liquid because aqueous is water, and this is the liquid, you can see right here according to question. And there will be hydrolysis, and hydrolysis will be from this point. Okay, then it will become CH3 COOH acetic acid, acetic acid plus C2H5 OH. This one is AQ, this one is AQ. Okay, you have to write for this one. Now we will take second equation. You have to do, okay, Fe3 plus AQ and plus 5F2 gas gives what? Oh, sorry, this question is not right. You have to take 3OH minus aqueous gives FeOH whole thrice, and this one is solid. Okay, you have to do this one, is the homework for you. Okay, next day I will see Now next topic we will see here, question on have you noted that now we will see some questions on KP-KC relation which is left out. Okay, then we will start next topic, this is the use of equilibrium constant. First we will see the question. Okay, question is that 2NOCl, this one is gas, and 2NO gas, Cl2 gas. Okay, the value of the equilibrium constant, value of equilibrium constant is 3.17 into 10 to power minus 6 at 1069 Kelvin. Okay, calculate the Kp for the reaction at this temperature. Next we will see here, calculate the value of Kp for this reaction. Okay, at the same temperature, at the same temperature. Okay, for the same temperature. रिएक्शन दिया हुआ है, इक्विलिब्रियम कांस्टेंट एट गिवन कंसंट्रेशन, इसका मतलब ये कंसंट्रेशन पे Kc की वैल्यू दी हुई है 3.17 into 10 to power minus 6 at 1069 Kelvin. Calculate the value of Kp for this reaction at the same temperature, इसी टेम्परेचर पे. तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, हमें देखिए सारी वैल्यू लिख लेंगे हम लोग, क्या क्या दिया हुआ है, या पहले आ जाते हैं फार्मूला. वैल्यू तो आप सब दिया हुआ क्या है, यहाँ पे डेल्टा एन निकाल लेंगे. व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ डेल्टा एन? ओके, फॉर गैसियस फेज है. ओके, नंबर ऑफ प्रोडक्ट एनपी माइनस एनआर, number of moles of reactant. Therefore total number of products are 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay, equation is Kp is equal to Kc RT power delta n. Kc is 3.17 into 10 to power 6. Now R is 0.0831, okay, into 10069 power 1. Okay, now you calculate हमने Kp Kc का फार्मूला देख लिया, n की वैल्यू निकाल ली, वैल्यू पुट कर दिया, अब इसका आंसर निकालना है। हैव यू नोटेड? वैल्यू ऑफ Kp will be 3.335 into 10 to power near about -4. Okay, there is no unit. Three point 335. Now we will see next one more question. Okay, you can calculate yourself. Okay, next question is N2 gas plus 3H2 gas gives 2NH3. This is gas. Okay, at 400 degree centigrade. 400 degree centigrade. Okay, is 1.64 into 10 to power minus is 1.46 into 10 to power minus 4 atm. Okay, minus square 2. Find the Kc find the value of Kc at same temperature. You have to solve this. I will give you hint. Here Kp is given. Kp is 1.46 into 10 to power minus 4 atm square. Delta n is here Np minus Nr. So P is 2 and R is minus 4. This will be minus 2. Now Kp is equal to Kc RT power delta n. Now Kc, value of Kc is not given and R is 0.0831 and T is 400 plus 273 Kelvin. You can take this one will be 673 Kelvin. Okay, you can change or you can, ठीक है, right here 73 power minus 2. It means Kp is equal to is given here 1.46 into 10 to power minus 4 इक्वल टू के सी 0.0831 into 673 minus 2. Okay, then you can write here Kc is equal to what? One point 46 into 10 to power minus 4, okay, upon 0.0831 into 10 to power into 673 power minus 2. ठीक है स्टूडेंट, we know that someone is below support 10 to power minus 5, this will go up and you can write plus 5. Okay, here is power, if 1 a के power minus 2, it means a power 2 you can write. Okay, now this one is the upon. Okay, you have to calculate this one. Okay, you will calculate and find out the answer. In next video I will see your answer. Okay, and next time we will start properties of or application of equilibrium constant. Okay, good day.